How to update all drivers on your Windows 11 using command prompt. So I will show you the perfect methods. Okay, so let me start with the video. First open the your command prompt. This is my command prompt. Okay, so here you need to enter this, which is dev management dvmgmt.msc. okay, then hit the enter. Then your device manager will be open like this. Now go to the view, click on show hidden device, expand it, and here select your drivers. If you want to update that display driver, select that, expand that, select drivers, right click on it, go to the update drivers and go for this browse my computer for drivers. Go to the let me pick up from list, select one by one and just install. Okay, first this select first one, then click on next, it will be installed. Then come to the same window, select second one and click on next, it will be installed. The second option for it will be search for on internet and check and install. So my driver is already installed, updated, so it is not installing. And here you can see also in update drivers on window updates. Okay, so is there any updation on your window updates, it will be update here. Okay, so one by one select your drivers and update it. Okay, like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.